Is that some cute or what? Yes, we have lots of black squirrels up here in Ontario, and they are the boss of all the squirrels. No squirrel wants to fool around with a black squirrel. They are the top dog. Now, it's been over the whole winter, and that has been the best design that I could figure out how to prevent the squirrels from going on your feeder. If you'd like to see how it's done and how the bird feeder is made, and take a look down below at the description box, and some fun projects for you to do as well. Well, that's our squirrel tip for the day, and I outfoxed a squirrel. You guys take care. Come back again if you haven't seen this channel before. Well, you're welcome to subscribe and have some more fun like I do every time I show up on YouTube. Cheers.